What is it, $8? Welcome back, everybody. So today we're going to be doing some Philly cheesesteaks with cheese sauce instead of provolone. Let's fire up this Blackstone. Alright guys, so we're going to do this is we're going to do it on low. Just because it's my first time doing it this way. And then low, I just like with cooking low. So we got these bad boys. We got them out Walmart. So they're already shaved, but they're like this because they're frozen. So we're gonna cook them, and so we got these at Walmart. So we're gonna try them for the first time. We also got some bell peppers. We got some red ones and some orange ones, and our cheese sauce. Add some oil. And it comes 4 for a pack. So it says that pretty much when it's done, when it's almost ready, it should come off. It should be able to spread out, and it's not as frozen. So now, oops. You guys like my little guy here? Yeah, buddy. We're gonna add our bell peppers. I guess you guys know I've never tried bell peppers because I never wanted to give it a chance, but I will today. First time. That one's gonna be on low, really low. See? And it should come off just like that. So far not bad. I think it's what is it, $8? And it's 4 of these. See? It comes apart easy. That easy, buddy. Yeah. But I would say two of those will do one nice sandwich. So out of those 4, you can probably get 2 good meaty sandwich, and that's what we're gonna do. And then there it is. Now I know Costco has one, and I've been looking for them, but they're always sold out. That's a good sign that it might be pretty damn good. Oh. And it smells pretty good. It is smelling really good. Spread them out. These bell peppers are smelling good. So see what I mean about those 4 make about 2 good sandwiches. So let's add some for mine. The wife don't want peppers, but I do. Put those back there. So we're going to use the Costco French rolls. And we're doing butter. But I'm only going to do the outside. We're going to add some cheese. It's about to get messy, guys. It's about to get messy. You guys want it cheesy? Add a little bit more dab. These buns are ready to go. Bam. Bam. Look at that. Now that's a good Philly cheese. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's turn this off and let's try it. All right, guys, here we have it. I mean, it's smelling really good. I'm hoping it said the meat box said that it was already seasoned. First time, so we'll see if the seasoning was good enough or should I have more. But damn, look at that. Oh man. Okay. All right, Walmart. I see you, Walmart. That's a good cheesesteak. It's not bad at all. Oh. That's good. So you guys have a cheesecake on the Blackstone Griddle. Make sure you guys keep liking those videos. Keep watching out. Make sure you guys check out these videos. Traeger, Blackstone, great videos. I'll see you guys next time.